How you doing? It's the Sauce Boss. I'm with Olivia and Luna. We're making vodka chicken parm.
And we're making it with Monte's! Yeah, baby! Slippery yolk, baby. There we go.
You have such tiny ears.
You know the order we go.
We go flour, we go egg yolks, we go breading.
That's exactly right. Grate the palm, grate the palm. Just fucking give it a whack. Yeah. Nobody's safe with Luna in the kitchen.
Watch your finger, watch your finger.
Fuck.
Number 1 and number 2.
All day long is beat motherfucking me. Oh, with Monte.
Oh, beating me with Monte's.
With
Cheers
Monte.
to that.
Wow, look at you go. Come on. I think this is your show.
Cocinar comida, pera.
What does that mean?
Cook food, bitch.
Yes, chef. What is that knife? We're gonna tag it.
Shun. Come on, Shun.
Shun.
Send me the knives.
Get
Send
her
me
the knives.
Come on,
Send
baby.
me the motherfucking knife. And I'm making that sauce from scratch. And it's called Monte's, baby. Call 1-800-BOSS, baby. Swiss Boss.
Here, make sure nice coating. Yep, yep.
Come on, baby.
And then a press down.
Yo, boss. Yo, I think it's time to fry these things, motherfucker.
It is. Let's go.
Don't forget the wine. Who the fuck is Dwani? Huh? Who the fuck is Dwani and why is he calling? While I'm in the kitchen, please.
Little Monte spicy sauce, heavy cream, making a nice pink sauce. For that color, that dairy, it's gonna give just a nice touch to a thin layer underneath. Let's hit a little Maldon on top. This is what's happening right now. It's called Monte. It's where you thicken your sauce with the cheese.
I love a Mott's.
Ooh, it smells good.
Skeleton crew.
Woo!